How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching guys how to unsuspend your Twitter account without an appeal. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So there are actually quite a number of ways in which you could unsuspend your Twitter account without having to contact Twitter or basically appeal to them to unsuspend your account. And I'll be covering the more common and conventional ways in how to do this. So let's begin. So the first thing that you guys can try is actually to use a VPN or a proxy, as the ban or I should say a suspension of your account could be tied to your Twitter cookies or the server store data of where you guys live. So using something like a VPN may bypass that. It even says so here that if you use a proxy or a VPN, it may work. But this one is more of a temporary fix, as it doesn't seem like a viable solution if you're using Twitter every day, right? So a couple of things that you guys can do is to number one, delete any content that violates the rules. So this obviously talks about controversial content that um, may break or is borderline breaking some of the guidelines that Twitter has, right? So it may be something about race or politics or um, something derogatory or offensive. Then essentially by taking that down, you're lifting your ban, as Twitter has no basis to suspend your account as the tweet or post has been deleted. So that's one thing that you guys can try. Another thing that you guys can try is doing the uh, two-step verification code, basically adding a layer of security to your Twitter account, and this is a real thing, as Twitter actually favors accounts with two-step verification code. Reason being is because this proves that you guys aren't a bot, so you're more likely to lift your ban or suspension by doing this. And the way to do it is quite simple. You can either enter your phone number or email address after clicking on the suspension notification on Twitter. So let's say that you've logged into your Twitter account and you see the notif talking about your suspension. Simply click on start, and this should take you to through the whole verification process of ensuring the website that you're not a bot. So this may prompt you to enter your phone number or email address, and once you submit it and verify it, you guys should be good to go. So those are the couple of ways of how to lift the ban on your Twitter account without using an appeal. Now, assuming that you guys have done something really offensive or something that really breaks the guidelines of Twitter, then you may be left with this option here to wait for the suspension to pass. So it usually goes from 1 day to 1 week, depending on the violation you've committed. So there's no other way around it. If you guys did something heinous or really bad, then you may just have to wait for the suspension to subside. And there you guys have it. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.